Friends, how are you? Today we are going to see what is a stepper motor and how can it works. As you see here, this is a stepper motor. You can control the rotation and the speed of the stepper motor according of what you want or on your project or anything. As you see here, this stepper motor has 6 lines. Okay, let's see how to connect it. All we need is stepper motor, one arduino model H bridge, also multimeter, and one battery 12 volts. Okay guys, let me show you how to know or how to test where is the two faces of this motor. Okay, now turn on your multimeter and turn it to the 200 ohm or to the 2k ohm. Okay, as you see here, this motor has 6 pins. Now we need to test how to know, we need to test how to find these two phases of this motor. Let me find where is the cable of the first pin. Okay, first pin, and the second cable to the second pin. No value. To the third pin, also no value. To the fourth pin, there is a value. So we know that the first pin from the left and the fourth pin, this is the first phases. Okay, let's test the second phases. Here, no value, huh? As you see here, to the one and to the first one from the right and the fourth one from the right, there is the value. So this is the second phases here. As you see here, the value. Okay, and let me check now. The first one from the right and the fourth one from the right. These two cables. As you see here, this is the value. So this is the first phase. And the first one from the left and the fourth one from the left, also there is a value. So here is the second phase. Okay guys, now that is the model H bridge. So we want to connect the first phase of the motor here and the second phase here. Here we have 3 pins. Here we put 12-volt battery. Here the ground. That's here the ground. Here and here the ground. And here the 5-volt from the Arduino. Okay. Here is the first phases. Should be connected. Okay guys, connect the first phase here. And the second wire from the first phase, also here. Do you see that? Okay, now the second phase should be connected here. Oops. And now this is the battery. The first cable, the red cable from the battery should be connected to the Model H bridge, and the black should be also connected to the Model H bridge. Okay, let me show you how to connect it. Connect your red pin to the first pin from the left. As you see here, the first pin from the left. Okay, and the black cable to the middle point. Middle point here. Okay, now take your Arduino and connect plus 5 volt from the Arduino. Wait. Connect plus 5 volt from the Arduino from this pin here to this pin. To the first pin from the right. Okay, now take your ground from your Arduino. This is the ground from my Arduino. This one should be connected to the middle point of the Model H bridge with the black line from the battery. Okay. This 2 point here should be enabled to be able to control the four middle point between these two lines. Okay, connect the first one to the plus 5 volt from the right. and the first one from the left also to the 5 volt. Okay, as you see here. So this is the last 4 pins. The first one here should be connected to the pin number 8 of your Arduino, and the second one here should be connected to the pin number 9 of your Arduino. The third point here should be connected to the pin number 10, and the last one here should be connected to the pin number 11. Okay, connect the 4 wire here. And okay, now the brown wire here should be connected to the pin number 8 of your Arduino. Do you see this 4 wire? The color of this 4 wire, and the red one should be connected to the pin number 9, and the orange line should be connected to the pin number 10, and the yellow should be connected to the pin number 11. Take a look about all the connection from the Model H bridge to the Arduino. Do you see this 4 wire is connected to the pin 8, 9, 10, 11. Guys, now connect your Arduino to your laptop to upload the code. Now open your Arduino software. Click on File, Example, search for servo, stepper 1 revolution. Okay, this is the code here. This is the library. These include stepper.h, constant integer steps per revolution equal to 100. You can change this to fit the number of steps per revolutions for your motor, and this is the number of steps per revolution for your motor. Here, my stepper, step revolution 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 4th pin for your Arduino. My stepper.set speed 60. Here you can change the speed, and serial.begin. Okay, void loop serial.print line clockwise. Here you can write on the serial monitor clockwise. My step per revolution. This value above 200 should be written here. Okay, should be written here. And delay. Now step 1 revolution is the other direction, in the second direction. Serial.print line counterclockwise. My step minus steps per revolution. This for the other direction. Okay, upload your code on your Arduino now. Connect this two pin to the battery, the positive and the negative from the model edge bridge. The motor turn. Okay, do you see here, if we edit the number of the steps per revolution, the number of the steps per revolution of this motor should be decreased. If we decrease also the number of the steps of this motor should be decreased. The number of the steps per revolution should be decreased. Now, if we change the speed of the motor, let's see it. If you make it 90, for example, the speed of the motor should be increased now. Do you see that? Do you see? Now, if we change the step per revolution, for example, 600, for example, okay guys, this is all about your stepper motor. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and like our video, and thank you for your watching.